Welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you cannot tell, I will be starting a new series with Create This Book by Moriah Elizabeth. And if you watched my What I Got for Christmas video, you would know that I got Create This Book. And so I'm finally starting the series and I'm so excited. I have no clue what I'm doing. These are like the only supplies I have. So we'll see how this turns out. Basically, what I'm going to be doing for this video is cover and a few pages on the inside. So I just finished decorating the edges and I was worried about how this design would turn out. But I actually think it looks really cool. I was hoping it'd be more pastel, but I really like how vibrant it is. Now I'm going to be doing the front cover and the back cover. And I got some acrylic paint. I have purple, pink, blue, yellow, and white. And I think I'm gonna make like pastel sort of colors, but I don't know. I hope that'll look good with the outside, but I'm gonna try and get them like close to these colors, if that makes any sense. Let's just go ahead and get started. I have no plan, so you'll see how it turns out. I have finished the border of the cover and I think it turned out super cool. I had no idea what I was doing, so I'm glad that it's not really bad. Just gonna go ahead and take off the tape and hopefully it looks good. Oh my goodness, this looks really nice. Nice. Okay, so this is the finished result of the front cover, and I don't want to do any more color like on the inside of there or there, just because I don't want it to be like too much. Anyway, I'm just going to let that dry and then I'll go ahead and start on the back. I have finished the front, which you already know that. And I've also finished the back, which there's not much to it. I just kind of colored it in. Okay, so I am back and I Mod Podged the cover and the back and it's all dry. So now I'm going to go ahead and start on the inside and just do like the introduction pages. I have finished this page and now I'm going to do this page. I am going to fill this box and I'm thinking maybe a food, like a taco. I don't know, I'm really hungry, so I'm thinking about food. So for this page, I filled the box with a taco, and I did a little saying, I guess, that I just made up for no reason. And it says this book is filled with yummy things, since this taco's filled with yummy things. So moving on, now I'm going to decorate this page. And I think I'm going to try and do like a space theme or something with astrology. I'm going to attempt to draw this. We'll see how that goes. Not really sure what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. So I finished the last page for this episode, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite, but I really do like the concept of it with the astrology sign thingy. I don't know what that's called. So that is all for this episode of Create This Book. So I'm just gonna do a quick flip through of everything I did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun starting to create this book, and I can't wait for more episodes to come. I'll see you next time. Bye! Something. Oh wow. Creating the edges of the hello there. This is what I see on my desk. Did you get paw prints on my desk, Virgo? But with you. Let's